Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show y'all a subscription box that I had never heard of, and it's actually pretty cool. It's for, well, it's a bra subscription. Yes, a bra. And they're all brand new when they send them to you. It is called Harper Wilde, and you get to go on there and pick out from you get to pick three different bras: a strapless, one that crosses in the back. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. And then a regular one. They're all push up. But anyways, you get to try them for 7 days, and the ones you don't like, you can send back. It's just like that Nadine West or whatever. So anyway, the ones you keep, you pay for. So, there's only one thing. Yes, I did jump into it whenever I got home from work. My mailman comes in my work every single day, and he left me my package. So, as soon as I got home, I was curious, how we are with our subscriptions. So anyway, there's only one problem. It's actually a big problem about this box, and I will get into that in just a second. But I would love to show you, I would love to show you what's in it. Of course, it's bras, but it's actually pretty cool if you could get more than just the three colors that they offer. They offer black, beige, or black, something and something. But anyway, you can order as many as you want, I guess. I don't know, but you get to try it for 7 days. Wear them for 7 days. And every time they ship them to you, they are all brand new with tags. So you're not going to be wearing somebody else's, Okay. So let's jump right in. Okay, so it is called Harper Wilde, and you open it up. Yes, I did get into it, but it's actually cute. The wrapping is really, really cute. Yeah, you can see where I tore it. But up here it says abracadabra. Easy, right? It's practically magic. Hashtag lift up the ladies. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay, so anyway. Alright, so, okay. This is the problem, first off, that I have with this box, okay? I'm not going to lie and say, yeah, I love the box. I think it's cool. But there is a but, okay? This strapless bra is a it says on here 32C, okay? It says 32C. Honey, this is not, sorry, my dog's barking. This is not a 32C. I put this thing on, and it was so tight. It was like a size A. But yeah, the sizing on these bras are not right. The bra, okay, I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, this one I haven't tried on yet, but it looks small, okay? This one is supposed to be a 32C, okay? This does not look like a 32C. I'm sorry, but it doesn't, okay? I haven't tried it on yet, but that looks like a B or something, but I haven't tried that one on yet. But like I said, this one was so super tight. I've already took the tags off, yeah. So super tight. And it says that it is a 32C. So I don't know if that is how they are getting people. My daughter has the third bra because It was supposed to be a B. It was supposed to be a size B. My daughter wears a double D, and that bra fits her perfect. Now, come on now. I mean, I know the sizes are so wrong. They are totally wrong. I don't, I mean, I like it and everything, but I mean, if I need my right size bra. I mean, this strapless bra I needed, and it is so super tight. It cuts my circulation off, and I wear a C, and this is a. It's like it's a A. I mean, I'm sorry, honey, but it's like it's a A. Yeah. So, anyways, yeah, that's that. I just want to talk about this subscription. Okay, so here's what all the papers that come with. Here's a tag that I took off of it. How much are these things worth? Yeah, 32. Ooh, gosh, that makes me so mad. Return label to return them if you don't like them or whatever, and they don't fit. Okay, so right here is a. Ooh, gosh. Okay. Right here, there's actually two bras that have the J hooks that convert the bra into a racer back. So yeah. But yeah, a bra that fits like a glove. My daughter said it's the most comfortable bra she's ever worn. But she has the right size on. Okay, and she's 13 years old and wears a double D. Wow. Okay. So anyways, it says follow our fit guidelines to get the right size every time, and I did. So anyways, yeah, the cups, the band, the underwire, your bra should be, yeah, it should. I mean, it was just tight. Okay, I don't even want to read this stuff. Recycle bra. What is this? Oh, you can recycle your bras? I mean, that's what it says, recycle bra, and it's got these. And then on the inside, it says, did you know that most donation centers won't accept or reuse worn bras? This means your bras may end up in a landfill or in a pile in the back of your drawer. We're here to take your old bras off your hands and out of your drawer. Please use one of the enclosed stickers on each old bra you want to recycle. We accept all brands. Put them into this box. Send them to us with the enclosed prepaid shipping label, and voila, we'll take care of the rest. Well, that's pretty cool. Okay. So, here is what I got for the free trial. I got a Flex Black 32C, a Boost Black 32C, and a Boost Black 38B, and all three of them. Well, I haven't tried this one. This one I haven't tried on yet. Oh, and the push-up. Oh my gosh, the padding is amazing. It's like, wow, vavoom. Yeah, because it really lifted my daughter's tatas up. So, yeah. We're here for you. We're here for your side boob, under boob, and every boob in between. Really, that's what that says. Well, at Harper Wilde, we know buying bras doesn't have to suck. We provide high quality, comfortable bras without unnecessary embellishments and bullshit. Not only do we lift our ladies, but we also lift up the next generation of leading ladies. A portion of each purchase goes to Girls Incorporated to support mentorship and educational programming for girls ages 6 to 18. I think that's amazing. Amazing. Learn more at harperwilde.com/liftuptheladies. All of our packaging materials are recyclable. Better yet, reuse if you can. Okay, at Harper Wilde, #LiftUpTheLadies. Okay, So lift up the ladies. So, yeah. They lifted up my daughter's ladies for sure. But I'm going to see if this other bra will lift up my ladies. Right now, I don't have one on. I took it off. Yeah, I'm telling y'all everything. But, I mean, this is a good box. You know, it really is. Y'all got to check it out. Like I said, you get to wear them for 7 days and see if you like them. And then you can send back what you don't like and pay for what you want to keep. Just like Nadine West. Or, I haven't tried Stitch Fix yet. But anyway, I guess that's it. So, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. And as always, I want to know how your day went. Mine's been okay. Let me see if there's anything I need to tell. Just working my butt off is about it. But, okay, I do want to say this. I'm going to start doing makeup tutorials. Yeah, because, there was one thing that I need to get better at. And, well, my lashes look horrible, but, yeah, they look awful. I slept in them last night. Yes, I know you're supposed to do that, but I did. Okay, so anyway, this channel is about to step it up, and I would love your support. I want to get to know y'all. I want to, you know, build friendships, because, you know, around here, I can't trust anybody, and, you know, just, you know, you meet people online that you want to be friends with for the rest of your life. So, you know, I would love more than anything to become friends with you. And, yeah, so that's it. Alright, so if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And, as always, I love each and every one of you. Bye.